Hey Aryan, this is Peter. We connected on Facebook for a little bit. We were kind of chatting, and you wanted some more information on what we do and how we can get more clients to you guys. So instead, I created a video, and it's just a lot easier to convey some messages to you guys. So what you're seeing in front is basically the way we get clients to you is it's really a two-step process. We have a landing page, and then we have our advertising side, and we connect those together. So what you're seeing in front of you is a landing page that we have, and once we have the advertising, we promote that advertising, and people click on it and they land on this landing page here. So your clients will go through a very quick qualification, and basically, it says involved in a personal injury, you may be entitled to paid medical treatment and maximum compensation. Take this 60-second quiz. So basically, they're going to take a quiz, and let's say I somehow wanted a lawyer, and I slipped. So I'll come here and I'll say yes, I slipped, and so they'll click on whatever the accident is. So click on next, and then it's going to ask you, do you have a doctor? I'm going to say no, I don't have a doctor. Do you currently have a lawyer? I'm going to say no, I don't have a lawyer. Hit next, and then I'm going to put my zip code here. Let's just say 11201. Briefly describe your accident. The client will put in, let's say, walking down the sidewalk, for example. And they click on next, and then it's going to take them to what is your email, and I'll just put in my email here, and then my phone number, and they'll click on next. And they're going to ask you, what is your name? My name is Peter, and I'll put my last name, Wiegand. So the client will put that information there as well, and click on next. And then this is the last question. When did the accident or injury occur? So I say it happened, let's say within the next 30 days, in the last 30 days. So all that data that I've entered, I'm going to submit it. And what's going to happen is it's going to go to a thank you page, and it says, we'll call you within 24 hours to see if you are qualified. And we'll have your law firm and your phone number. So basically, that's pretty much it. And of course, we'll have your logo up there just to rebrand your business. So the data is there, and now all you have to do is you kind of follow up. Now what's going to happen is all that information, you'll get, all that data is going to come into your inbox. So right now, I created a dummy, and as you can see, here's this new personal injury lead. This is what you're going to see. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Once the data is in your inbox, you're going to get all this information here. And you'll get the client's information and the phone number. And then you just have to call them and follow up with them. And that's pretty much it. Now, let me show you the advertising side. What we created is a very simple Facebook ad we use. And sometimes we do Google advertising. And we just have an ad that goes right to the landing page, which I showed you earlier. And that's pretty much in a nutshell. So I know you'll have more questions, but I wanted to just kind of show you exactly how we are actually getting clients to personal injury lawyers. And we can definitely talk more and fine tune some stuff on the funnel. and that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, I know I will definitely talk to you tomorrow. My number is 917-982-0303, and I look forward to talking to you. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.